Okay, so hi guys. Today I have just picked one problems. That means a puzzle from Smart Kida. Okay, so they have released some questions bank. So I'm just going to solve some puzzles so that you can know how to solve a puzzle quickly in the banking sectors. Okay, so let's get started. So here's we are going to solve the set number 15. What it says, there are eight boxes. A to H are placed one above another but not necessarily in the same boxes. Okay, so first we have to place 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, and this is everything. Okay, so now what it says, the lowest most number 1 and 2 and so above one, the only two boxes are placed between H and D in which the D is placed below H. Okay, so two boxes are placed between H and D. Okay, H placed in a odd number position. So if I placed H over there but two place no H, two place gap and then D, this is possible, or somehow H here, two box gap and then D here, it is possible. So, okay, okay. Now next is H is placed above B. Okay, so what is H is placed in an odd number. H is not placed above B, so H is placed below B. Okay, B is placed on an even number positions. Okay, so B is placed up, so B can be placed either here or can be here. Okay, so in this position this is fixed. Okay, now only one box is placed between G and E in which E is placed below. Okay, so G and E only one box. Okay, G and E only one box and E is below G. Okay, so maybe it can't be here G, so it can be here G and E, it cannot be here, it can be here or here. Okay, so there are multiples of like options that can be possible. So F is not placed above A. Okay, so F is below A, so wherever A the F is below there. Four boxes are placed between F and B. Okay, that's crazy. So four boxes are placed between F and B. So if B is here, one, two, three, four, F will be here. So B one, two, three, four. So I will not wasting any more time. So I will take two projections over here. Okay, and what I don't just want to spend much time over this making the assumptions. Okay, let's get solve it as quick as possible. So F and B, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and so then 1 2 3 4 F and B, 1 2 3 4 and F and B. Okay, A is above F, so A may be anywhere. Okay, and now G and E, G I can place here, G I can place here, G I can place here, G I can place here. So G and E is obviously wrong. Okay, G and E not possible, G and E not possible, G and E, G, but G and E here it is possible. Okay, so here is also not possible. Okay, and A is above F, that means A position is there, and B is placed above F. Okay, that's great. So A, B, C, where is C? So here is C. So this is our correct answer. So now the first question is, which among the following box is placed immediately below H? So immediately below H is E. Okay, then which among the following box is placed adjacent to B and box G? Okay, adjacent to B and G. So this is A, box A. Now, my god, so which is definitely true? H is placed just above G, no. D is placed on an odd number, D, no. C is not the lowest most, or no. B is placed three boxes above H, is absolutely correct. So B is three boxes above H. Okay, now which of the following boxes is placed between G and E? G and E is H. H is our correct answer. Okay, so here we can see next question. Find the box 1, box C. Okay, 1C, 5H. Okay, 2D, 2D. Okay, 7A, 7A, and 1B, 1B. So 1B, that will be your, so this is the set, okay, of my answers. Okay, so I think this is easy. So let's move on to the next questions. What it's it? Okay, eight boxes. Oh my god, I think they have repeated their questions. Okay, set number. Okay, let's just solve these questions. Okay. Okay, what it is saying that 8 boxes H1 H8 are placed in different racks and but not same order. Okay. So the lowermost rack is number 1 and immediately 2, so 8 boxes. So again I have to place like 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Okay, I think everyone is getting my points how to solve this type of questions. So each box has different number of balls and among consecutive odd number from 27 to 41. So 27 to 41, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, and 41. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Look, there are 8 odd numbers, like 8 balls, and we have to place the 8 boxes with their number. So each 6 is placed on an even number rack, so it may be here, it may be here, it may be here, it may be here. So there are 3 boxes placed between H6 and H3. Okay. So the 2 boxes are placed between H5 and H2. H3 is not placed in the topmost positions. Okay. So this is my clue. Okay. So H3 cannot be here. So one, two, three. Then so H6 cannot be here. Okay. So maybe what's happened? H6 is here, and 3 boxes are placed between H6. 1, 2, and 3. So H3 is here. Now what is saying that there are 2 boxes and H2 is not placed at the topmost positions. Okay, fine, great. Look, if I place H6 here, so 1 2 3, H3 will be there. So this is not possible. Why? Because this is the question says asked to do. So H6 and H3, 3 boxes are placed, so it doesn't mention like whether it is there or not. So H6 can be in the 8 position. So H6 and then 1 2 3. So it must be H3 is over here. So one thing I just forget to make the positions, like suppose this is here, H3 is here, suppose. So H6 here, H3 is here. Just give me a few moment, please. Okay, now it's good to go. Okay, so what is happening? Yeah, so if H6 is here, one, two, three, three, so four. Okay, okay. Now I think this is perfect. Okay, now let's go. So there are 3 boxes are placed between H5 and H2. Okay, 3 boxes are placed between H5 and H2. So H2 has 29 balls and placed in a fifth rack. Okay, so this is a pretty like straightforward. So H2, and this is what H2 has 29th. H2 has 29th. H2 has 29th. H2 has 29. Okay, great, great. So what it says that 2 boxes are placed between H5. Okay, so 2 boxes, either H5 is here, 2 boxes, so H5 is here. Okay, 2 boxes H5 here, 2 boxes H5. So H 2 boxes or 3 boxes? There are 2 boxes between. Okay, so that's my fault. Okay, there is 2 boxes. So H5 will be here, and so H2 is here. 2 boxes, 2 boxes are, so H5 is upon here. Okay, now H5 is placed immediately above the ball, which is 27. Okay, H5 is placed immediately above 27, immediately above 27, immediately above 27 balls. There are as many boxes between the box 29 and 27 is the same number, box 29 and 31. 29 and 27, so 29 and 31. 29 and 27, so this might be 29 and 21, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. So that is not possible. Okay. So now next. Okay, there are 2 boxes placed between H8 and H1. So H8, 2 boxes H1, H8, 2 boxes H1, anything. Okay, so H8 and 2 boxes are placed between H8 and H1. Okay, neither is placed. Okay, so H1 or H8 not here. So H8, 2 boxes, no. Okay, so there is one possibility, there's either H8 or H1, either maybe this must be placed between 7 and 1 2, so 4. Okay, 7 and 4. Okay, I can see these two possibilities. Okay, so now h7 is placed on a odd prime number rack. Okay, h7 odd prime, so h7, so h7 odd prime, h7 odd prime. Okay, why I have not placed it in a 7, because I know that h8 and h1 anything can be placed either 7 or 4. Okay, so that means I have to keep it free. Okay, so there are only three boxes placed between the box which has 41 blocks and 37. So 41 and 37, there are three boxes, right? Okay, there are only three boxes. So where is 41? 41, 1, 2, 3, 31. 41, 1. Okay, 41, 1, 2, 3. No, 41, 41, 1, 2, 3, 31. Anything can be possible. Okay, so H8 has 37 balls. Okay, so look here, if I place H8 over here, so I can't place it, so I have to place it over here, H8, and this is 37, and this must be H1, so this must be H1, so this must be H37. So 1 2, where is 2? 2 3 4 4 4 I have missed, right? So this is H8, so H4, H4. Okay, so now it is saying that the one box which has 33 ball is placed immediately below 35. So 33 is immediately below 35. So where it can be possible? So here, okay, here 35 is immediate, 33 is immediately below 35, immediately below 35. Okay, now it's saying that 41 and 37. Okay, so 3 1 2 3. So here must be 41, and 1 2 3 here must be 41. Okay, now what is saying, h6 doesn't have 39, so h6 here there must be 39, so that's why it is cross, and this is 39. So this is our complete answer. Okay, so let's move to the questions. Which of the following box has 39? So as I can see, 39 is h3. Okay, so h3 means the box which is in the 6 rack. Okay, now the next question is how many blocks are placed between h1 and h7? H1 and h7, 1 2 3, so three boxes are placed. Okay, what is the sum of the balls together which are placed topmost and the lowermost? Topmost is 41 plus 33. That means 3 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 7. So 7 and 4, 74. Okay, which of the is definitely true? So some of the balls together in a sixth and eighth rack is 78. Sixth and eighth rack is 78. No, this is not possible. Then the number of boxes placed between h7 and h8 is the same box placed between h2 and h7 and h8. So h7 and h8, this is consecutive. Okay, so h2 and h1 must be consecutive, but this is not true. So more than two boxes are placed between h8 and 39. H8 is here and 39, so no. So option D, H7 has 31 balls and it splits immediately above 33. No, this is not. So none is true. Okay, so none is true. Now next question is, which of the following combination is definitely true? H3 6th rack, H3 6th rack, and 41 cross H4 fast rack 33. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, H4 fast rack 33. So this is correct. Okay, so yeah, so I think we have solved two questions, and I think you guys got the point how to solve these questions. Okay, in the next video I will solve the set number 18 and set number 19. Okay, thank you, bye bye.